I think the last time Sibane record of the year where you had a genre like either Maskandi or gospel, it was a sick. I need to sick.
Oh yeah.
Because if you remember, he won record of the year.
Yeah.
In a category, in a genre that is not traditional. So the second one in the Muscat. Because generally it would be urban categories as so congratulations.
It's all the first time feel like the day it's a bomb my sister. I said, certificate. Yeah, but some of the similar and it's about to data echo. From Konova Beach to one. I think so
genre. They are asserting themselves in the industry and ensuring a genre like Umaskandi, which is big by the way, not only big in terms of the artists that they have, but big in terms of economically influencing the recording industry as a whole.
Yes.
So, Logo, and this is not the only one, Umaskandi in general has been one of the drivers of culture.
Yes.
So it gives us great pleasure to see the mood of Umaskandi record. I never yes. I'm calling the good ones. I'm calling the good we're about to sweep what
Mama was changed. Was by Candle. Send Candy, I'm Candle somewhere.
Yeah.
I wasn't Candy. What I'm the original one will see all Mina Chase King.
We don't believe.
No. I was a kind of love. She didn't find so to him. If I found so to any or fast by Jehovah. Who posted to pass time. What am I the power?
But you can see I know Siabo to Lisa and the board. Thank you so very much. Congratulations.
Yeah. I want to tell you.
I move it. Yeah.
Quality.
Yeah.